see this.
I don't know what's there inside.
There are lots of videos and.
Thank you very much to everybody.
Thank you so much. Love you. Again, Pragya and
Ashi, Ginny.
Everybody,
Yeah,
I
and
thank
Gayathri.
everybody who wrote in this.
I remember Sonu, Pari, मुझे नाम याद हो गया actually.
So thank you very much. This was really very sweet and we will treasure it.
And firstly, thank you all for giving me the time to do the interview. And a very happy Makar Sankranti to you.
Oh yeah, same to you and same to everybody.
Happy Makar Sankranti.
Yes, fly kites and be safe. Just now I was driving my car. There were these 3 kids. I want to tell you all this. Please be careful. There were these 3 kids running after kites, not even looking at my car. I swear I almost ran over them. I got off the car, I shouted at them.
So drive slow.
Yes, drive slow and look out for crazy kids who run across the road. And if you see any kid like that, get down and yell at them. And next time tell them to look at the road before they cross.
Give them chocolates, yaar.
Shut up.
Are you all gonna fly kites?
No.
You all don't
सराय
like
को ना हेल्प करना आता है और ना पतंग उड़ानी आती है.
जब से since the time I was small, okay, one second, you can talk in English here, right?
Yeah.
Since the time I was small, I was always rejected in kite flying. We used to go up on the terrace at my place. We have a really nice terrace and it's right opposite the sea, so it's khula. You can fly kites. Not one person in my family let me even fly a kite. I was always holding that stupid thing behind. What is it called? And that also they used to yell at me, leave, this, that, and I used to get so nervous that I don't fly.
I will let you fly.
Yeah, okay, we'll go to my terrace and fly.
So how's life been after MGHT?
Well, for me it's been one holiday after another. For Mohit
It's only one, yeah. So, सराय कुछ टाइम के लिए अमेरिका गई थी, so मैं यहाँ पे बहुत बोर हो रहा था, तो इसलिए मैं दिल्ली चला गया अपनी फैमिली के पास. उसके बाद सराय आए, then we went for a vacation, and then just now, like we just auditioning and all.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
So are you all, I mean, are you all taking up new shows now? Are you planning to work
We
together?
want to, but we'd love to work together, but I don't think that's going to happen. So if somebody,
I think हमें ही produce करना पड़ेगा.
and unless all our fans produce the show,
Yeah,
unless
totally
all our fans
believe.
stand outside the Star Plus office and yell that they want us together.
No, they are all ready to produce. If you all are ready to be together in the show.
We would love to work together.
Yeah.
मैं कल मार्च पास है यहाँ पर गेट ऑफ इंडिया के पास में हमारे नए शो के लिए हम एक साथ लेने के लिए हम प्लीज मार्च पास में आएंगे, सबको मैसेजेस करता हूँ.
No, so yeah, we do plan to work, but God knows when. Because you need the right show. Even you need to like a show enough to take it, and then somebody needs to like you enough to take you in it, and it's a show. They're not ads. You make shows once in a way. You don't make shows every day because they go on air for long. So I guess just the right time. Hopefully we should get something soon.
Yeah. If not show, then film.
Hopefully.
I'm happy. Film for it.
Okay, I would like to ask you, what is the one thing about both of y'all that the fans don't know till now? You all haven't leaked one secret of yours.
Now they know everything यार. हमने अभी सब कुछ disclose कर दिया और क्या बचा है?
Yeah.
कुछ भी नहीं?
No, everything they know. Really.
Oh, okay. So, okay, one
Well, they
thing.
know we like chocolates, we like cakes. They know I'm afraid of cockroaches, rats, lizards. They know Mohit is obsessed with his hair. Mohit is very irritating.
Rubbish. Irritating personality.
I call Mohit an irritating personality and he calls me an irritated personality. Because he's always irritating me and I'm always irritated.
So, is that the nickname for the two of y'all? Or any other nicknames?
No, we don't have nicknames.
No? Okay, and one thing that you like about each other and dislike about each other? Or if there are many things that you like.
Dislike the
I think she's very honest and she's very caring, so I like her.
And one thing that you dislike about her?
Irritated personality.
I bought Mohit a fridge magnet. I want to
Yeah, see that. It's very cute.
I got it for him from America because I think he should know why I do.
Yeah.
Oh, we know. It's I yell because I care.
Yeah.
This was his.
This is from Irritated Personality. Written by Irritated Personality. And she got me this also, very cute. This
The
beer opener.
Yeah, damn cute. So Sanaya, what is the one thing that you like about Mohit and
Well, what I like is that he's just a genuinely very, very nice person. It's like I say, it's very hard to meet genuinely very nice people. Like I have friends and I have people I love, but I see like, you know, even though you love somebody, you know where that person is selfish, or you know where that person gets envious, or you know that and that. And there are very few people in my life. I think there are 2 or 3 who I feel are like very nice by heart and don't have, you know, just very clean people. And I feel that Mohit is one of them. Yeah.
Let me hug you also.
Now what I dislike about Mohit? There's a lot.
Lots.
Firstly, he irritates me. Secondly, he's very slow. Very slow. If I say Mohit, do this, it will be done in like 1 hour and it can be done in 1 minute.
बड़ों ने कहा है कुछ करने से पहले, कुछ बोलने से पहले सोचो. मैं सोच के कर दूँ. What's the harm? What's the harm?
And just generally very annoying and obsessed.
Basically क्या है, अगर सनाया को कुछ नहीं मालूम होगा ना, तो सनाया भी स्लो करती है. लेकिन उसको कुछ मालूम होगा, फटाफट कर देती है. तो उसको लगता है कि वो बहुत fast है.
Obsessed with his hair, and of late something else is also irritating me about Mohit. Whenever we go shopping, I'm a girl, he's a guy. I always say, Mohit, let's go shopping. He always shops everything, and I'm just standing there. And I shop nothing.
That's not my problem if she's not getting anything.
I'm just doing this. I'm standing, I'm saying, nice bag, nice bag. And then when I go, I find nothing. And then go to the shop, everything and come out of there. So that's the latest thing that irritates me. Otherwise, he's nice.
एक दिन मैं सनाया के साथ जाऊंगा और मैं कुछ शॉपिंग नहीं करूंगा, सिर्फ सनाया शॉपिंग.
is that possible?